In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate number sequences within Notion. The simple way. We'll walk through a quick and easy method to automatically number your entries inside a Notion database, so you don't have to type IDs manually every time you add a new item. This is especially useful if you're tracking tasks, projects, invoices, or anything that benefits from a clean, ordered list. First, go ahead and open the Notion page that contains the database you want to work with. This could be a table, a board, a list, or any database view. Make sure you're actually inside the database and not just looking at a regular page. If your database has multiple views, it doesn't matter which one you're on. The property we'll create will be available everywhere. Once your database is open, look along the top where your column headers are. You'll see an option to add a new property. This might appear as a plus sign next to your existing columns or as a button labeled Add Property, depending on your layout. Click on that. What you're doing here is creating a new column that Notion will use to store your automatic numbers. After clicking to add a property, Notion will ask you to define what kind of property this is. You'll see options like text, number, select, date, and so on. In this case, look for the option labeled ID. Click on ID to select it as the property type. By choosing ID, you're letting Notion handle the numbering for you. It will automatically generate a unique number for each row or entry, usually in the order the items were created. This means every time you add a new item to your database, Notion will assign the next number in the sequence without you having to think about it. Once you've selected ID, you can rename the property if you like, maybe to something like record ID or task number, but that's optional. The important part is that the property type remains set to ID. From this point on, your database will maintain its own automatic number sequence. You'll get a clean, consistent ID column that's perfect for referencing items, sorting, or just keeping things organized with minimal effort.